DeSoto Public Library, and this week we are going to do something really fun. Do you like monsters? You don't? Oh, I knew you did, but not super scary monsters, just a little bit of scary. Yeah! So this week we are going to read books about monsters and make our very own hungry monster. All right, so are you ready to get started with our craft for this week? Don't forget, in order to get your craft, you have to come by the library and pick up your craft kit. So it looks like I've got all my things I need to make my monster. It looks like I've got some great monster books. Is there anything we're missing? Otis? Oh, we should wake up Otis because I think he's gonna like our monster craft for this week. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wake him up, and there's only one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis, and we have to say 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. Think you can do it? Yeah? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! Otis, wake up. Oh, yeah. Oh. Otis, what's wrong? Don't go in there. Don't go in where? Don't look. Don't look where? In there. It's too scary. Oh dear, Otis, what is happening? There, I'm so scared to even say it. There's a monster in my bed. Oh wow, Otis. Yeah, he's really scary. He's got big teeth and scary eyes and scary horns on his head, and he makes me want to cry. Oh wow. Well, Otis, maybe he isn't that scary. He's not. Let's find out. Can you show me the monster that's in your bed? Okay, but he's gonna be scary. Are you gonna be scared at all? He's super scary. Are you sure you can do it? I'm pretty sure we're okay, Otis. I think our friends, they'll be okay. Will you be okay if we see Otis's monster? Yeah. Okay. I'll do it. I will. Ready? And here he is. Oh, he has a big, hungry mouth. Oh, wow, Otis. Yeah, do you see that? Do you see his teeth? He wants to bite me. Wait, Otis, maybe he just wants to give you a kiss. Oh, yeah? Mwah. Oh, I like it. But I still think he wants to eat me. He wants to taste me. Otis, why would he want to eat you? Because I'm so sweet. Ew, Otis! Yeah. I'm sweet. Yeah. You know what? Maybe he isn't so scary after all. I think you're kind of right, Otis. I don't think he's that scary. Oh, yeah. But look, his mouth opens and closes, and then he wants to bite me. All right, Otis. Well, I'm glad. I like that monster. You know what? I think our friends at home might want to make a monster like that who has a big mouth. Oh, yeah. But just make sure that your monster gives kisses and not bites. That's a good point, Otis. All right, so does that mean you're going to stay awake so that we can make a monster? Oh, I guess I'll have to stay awake so that I can protect you, Miss Janelle. Oh, that's very nice, Otis. I'll protect you from that big scary monster. Okay. Thank you, Otis. All right. I'm going to protect you. I'm going to be right here the whole time. Protect. Oh, man. I'm really glad this is not a scary monster, because if it was, Otis went to sleep and he did not protect me. All right, so let's see what we're going to get in our kit for this week. The main thing you're going to get is a CD. And that's going to be our monster face. So you will also get a piece of construction paper, some strips of construction paper. You might also get some extra odds and ends like pipe cleaner or pom-poms, some glue dots, and maybe a glue stick. Let's see. Oh, and some crayons. So the very first thing we're going to do to make our hungry monsters is we are going to draw 2 circles on our paper. 1, 2. And we're going to cut them out. All right, so with 1 circle, you're going to take and fold it in half, just like this. Then you're gonna get your CD, and if you've got a glue stick, you can use the glue stick, and if you've got glue dots, you can use glue dots, and oh, so much for Otis. Well, go to sleep, Otis. All right, there we go. We're gonna stick on his face. There it is. Push it down to make sure it stays. Then we're gonna take the one that's the half, put some glue on for the bottom half because we wanna make sure his mouth stays on. And you're just gonna push down and glue the bottom half because the top half is going to stick up like this. And there he is. You have a monster face and your monster mouth. So the next part is actually the most fun. That's where you get to be creative and you get to do whatever you would like to your monster. So my monster is going to have 3 eyes. All the better to see you with. Here we go. He's going to have 3 eyes, and he is going to have 2 nostrils. Yes. And that's where you get to use the glue dots. About that, but you know what my monster is missing? I think I would like him to have a mustache. I think I'm gonna use a different one, but you can do whatever you would like. How are you gonna make your monster? Is complete without teeth. So I'm going to make teeth, but you can make your monster however you would like. If you want a friendly monster that does not have scary teeth, then you do not have to put teeth on your monster. But if you want to make him a vicious, hungry monster, you can put teeth on your monster. Ta-da! Oh, I think my monster needs to also have some ears. What do you think? Does my monster look like a scary one, or does he look like a friendly one? I think he looks a little bit more friendly than Otis's monster. What do you think? Now that we've got 2 monsters, should we wake up Otis? Let's do it. Should we give Otis a little bit of a scare? Let's do it. All right, so there's only one way in the whole world to wake up Otis, and we have to say 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. Wait a minute, Otis, he fell down. We're gonna have to get him. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Whoa! Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. What was I doing on the floor? Well, Otis, you fell down while you were sleeping. Oh, yeah. I was having a really good dream. What were you having a really good dream? I dreamed that I was living in a world with no monsters. Oh, no, Otis! Yeah. Well, I have bad news for you. You do? Do you remember how there was the one monster before? Yeah. Guess what? What? There's no monsters? No. There are 2 monsters now. 2 monsters. No. Otis! I think it's safe to come out. Is it safe to come out? I think it is, Otis. But I'm really scared. No, Otis, but these are nice monsters. Oh, okay. All right, I do like these monsters. Okay, all right. I will let you can come to my house. And I will let you can come to my house. Oh, and now I have 2 monsters in my bed. All right, Otis, I'm glad you made friends with the monsters. And thank you so much, friends, for joining us. And don't forget to come to the library and get your packet so you can make your own monsters. Yeah, that'll be great. Come get a monster packet and you can have monsters in your bed like me.